Hello, today we're going with one of those recipes that you always feel like having. Super refreshing, and also, look, we're bringing two worlds together because it's a Greek salad with a little Spanish twist. It's all upside. We start by chopping a small onion or half of a large one like this. The point is to cut it into pieces that are not too small or too big. And the trick is to put them in a bowl with cold water and a little bit of salt. We're going to leave them there for about 10 minutes so they're not too spicy. On the other hand, we take two large tomatoes that are a bit ripe and cut them into generous-sized cubes, not too small. We're going to put them in the bowl where we want to mix this authentic Mediterranean wonder, and we're going to slice some cucumber into it. Make sure they're not too thick, and of course that the cucumber is freshly washed. I like to cut the slices in half. I think that's the perfect size. We add the onion, a can of black olives, and feta cheese. With freshly washed hands, we start mashing it so it turns into a kind of paste or sauce that will soak in, along with an amazing dressing made with olive oil. If it's extra virgin, even better. A little bit of dried oregano and a splash of lemon juice. A combination that turns out amazing, and you mix and enjoy. It's that simple and that easy to prepare a real, fresh delicacy that's perfect to enjoy. If you notice, I make gentle, folding movements, mixing from bottom to top so that all the ingredients get coated with the dressing, but I don't crush them and they don't release too much juice. That way, it turns out perfect. You can serve it right away or chilled from the fridge. It's up to you. The important thing is that it has a lot of flavor, that the tomato is good, that the cucumber is too, and that you grab a plate, serve it, and enjoy yourself. Look at this amazing dish. It's a huge salad. Because this isn't just a salad, it's a huge salad. Super tasty, super easy, with that extra little trick I told you about so it always turns out just the way you like it. And super fresh. Look at those colors. Look at those juices. What a delicious combination. I just can't stop eating. Something that helps you take care of yourself and is also delicious. Nothing but benefits. Let me know in the comments if you liked it and share your favorite salad. See you next time.